What's going on, everybody? So as you guys know, we are preparing for Texas. If you guys don't know, I have a 2004 Duramax that's got a lot of miles on it. So me and Wyatt were just making sure it was all good to go, and I was thinking, hey, I should probably check my brake pads and rotors on my truck. And I was gonna replace the brake pads and rotors on my truck, and then I realized they're actually not that worn out, they're just squeaky. And then I got to thinking, right, obviously from the title of this video, I never changed the rear brakes on the RX-7 when I got this 8.8 out of the junkyard. So check this out, guys. These are the stock junkyard brakes that I got. Obviously, from what you can see, I'll take the pads out, but the pads are super, super worn. It's one of those things where I was gonna replace them when I was assembling the axle, and then I bolted the wheels up to it and I just forgot about it. Now, I didn't really notice it or even think about it until I did those roll races when I was going like 140 plus, and I was like, hey, I just realized I don't know when any of the brakes have been changed on my car at all. I'm going 140, so so I did go ahead, I bought new brake pads for the front. I didn't buy new rotors because the rotor is, I don't know, it's not a pain to change, but I plan on switching to a 5-lug setup in the near future. So there's really no point to get new rotors. I'm just gonna throw some new pads on it. That way I know, because I've had this car for about 3 or 4 years now, and I've never changed the front pads on them. So I have no clue when the last time they've ever been replaced. And same with the Ford Explorer rear axle that I have. They came straight from the junkyard like that. Now I know that's a little sketchy, but we're gonna go ahead and get them replaced. I've got the new, I did for the rear, I got new rotors and pads, and then for the front RX-7 I got new pads, so it should be good to go. Also in this video, one of my friends that I did an Evo manifold on in a full Evo setup, he's gonna be doing the window tint on the RX-7 before I go down to Texas. It's gonna be pretty cool. I got some cool things for it. You guys are gonna like it. I also got some really exciting news about some t-shirts. If you guys are interested in that, go check that out on my Instagram down below at Metigulous. We're gonna be in Texas. I'm gonna have 100 t-shirts in Texas, and I'm gonna be ordering a bunch more so you guys can order them on the website. So if you wanna support, go get a t-shirt. If not, it's all good. They're really sick. Aaron over at T-Shirt Labs did an amazing job on the design. I sent him a picture and he is able to make a sick design for you guys. It looks awesome. So be sure to go check that out. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and change these brakes out. Got a lot of stuff to do today. And yeah, trying to make the RX-7 safer. Oh man, look at these. This pad is basically almost all the way worn down. Look at that. That is ridiculous. I can't believe I went that fast on these. This one's really bad. This one's, I mean, it's worn, but it's not as bad. Look at the difference in these. Look at that. Old versus new. Look at the difference in that. That is crazy. Anyways, yeah, that's definitely really sketchy. I can't believe I was going that fast. I mean, it was just the rear brakes. I've looked at the fronts before. The pads aren't bad. They're just old, and I have no clue how long ago they've been replaced. So we're gonna be good to go now. New pads, new rotors for the rear, and also, if anybody doesn't know, this car originally comes with drum brakes in the rear, and they didn't work hardly at all. So even when the car had the stock axle on it, the brakes were way worse than it has been now. So even with those crappy pads on it, it wasn't that bad. It actually braked really good, and it stopped really fast. Anyways, doesn't matter now. We are good to go with some new ones. Gonna go ahead and do both sides and then go onto the front. Get the new rotors on there with the new pads. Got both sides done actually, so nice and simple. This other side was actually really bad also. Look at those, check those out. They're so bad. Sorry for the huge gap right here between footage. I've been running around like a madman trying to make sure I'm ready for everything. So I just want to make sure the truck's ready, trailer's ready, RX-7's ready, I'm ready, my grandpa's ready, Wyatt's ready, etc, etc. Hotel, got all that stuff figured out. Anyways, here I just wanted to show you guys, I did do some stuff on the RX-7, so if you can see down there, I did put a different trans cooler on it. This is like an oil cooler, but it works. It's a lot nicer than my other one. The other one is nowhere near as nice as this one, and this one has like a nice fan on it, so should work good. I went and washed it earlier today. I'm getting ready right now to head over to my friend's place that is going to be doing the window tint on this. I believe it's called Invictus up in Fort Collins, so if y'all need some tinting or vinyl or whatever, hit them up. I'm gonna go ahead and load the RX-7 up, and then we will resume filming over there at his place. So we got the car over here, dropped off at Invictus Auto Salon up here in Fort Collins. These guys are gonna go ahead and get the tint all knocked out and the logo on top. They actually got a really cool sticker made. I guess not even a sticker, it's basically like a big banner almost to go across the front windshield. So it's gonna end up looking sick. Pretty excited. I was just talking to Anthony about this, but it feels weird dropping my car off somewhere because I do basically everything to it. So it just feels a little weird, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, go get some food. He's gonna stay late tonight, come early in the morning and get this all knocked out for me. So I'm excited. It's gonna look way different with all that tint on it.
Got too much shit.
Holy shit, it's
Sup,
late
fuckers?
as hell.
Stop. Come on.
Got my grandpa from the airport after his flight was delayed for almost 3 hours. It's been a fiasco of a day. The dude with the tent was having a hell of an issue. The car looks great. The car's ready. We got the trailer all loaded up.
It's like 3 in the morning. We're finally done.
Yeah, Kyle lost his wallet and we had a fiasco with that too. Found it in his backpack. So it's been a hell of a day. We're all excited as shit. We're gonna go ahead and get some sleep, wake up early as hell in the morning and head over to Houston. So excited to see all you guys. If you guys are gonna come out, come say hi to us. Come see us, don't be afraid. Thank you guys for watching and we'll see y'all in Houston.
Bye. Bye.
Unfortunately, Lucy is not coming, huh, Luce? Poor Luce has gotta stay home.
No boosted doggos today. Luce, get your ass in the house.